Did you know a hospice aide risked everything to expose a $2 million theft ring targeting dying patients? Helen Martinez worked the night shift at Sunset Hospice, caring for elderly patients in their final days. She noticed something disturbing during her rounds. Family members were showing up with legal documents while patients were heavily sedated. Wills were being changed, bank accounts emptied, valuable belongings mysteriously disappeared. When she reported it to her supervisor, nothing happened. Then she discovered why. The hospice director was taking kickbacks from these unethical family members. Helen faced an impossible choice. She was a single mother who desperately needed this job, but she couldn't watch vulnerable dying patients get robbed blind. She started documenting everything and contacted Adult Protective Services. The retaliation was swift. Her hours were cut. Supervisors became hostile. They threatened her nursing license. But investigators uncovered a network affecting dozens of patients. $2 million in stolen assets were recovered. Helen received state recognition and a promotion to County Elder Services. Sometimes doing right costs everything, but integrity always pays back.